Hook. 0 to 3 seconds. Tradespeople instantly turn job requests into quotes with this ChatGPT prompt. How tradies can just change one part of the workflow, and this is the test worth running first. Fast explanation. The update matters because it changes why quick quotes matter for tradies for general. Instead of repeating the headline, focus on one practical task and compare it with your current process. This script stays anchored on ChatGPT prompt that turns a job request into a trade quote, so you can decide quickly whether the update is useful. Value. Step 1. Start with one real example from your workflow and write down what success looks like before you open How Tradies Can. Step-by-step guide on crafting the perfect trade quote prompt. Step 2. Use How Tradies Can to create a first draft around writing the perfect prompt for your job requests. Then run a second pass that changes only one variable so you can compare the outputs cleanly. Keep the version that sounds more specific, more human,